The following is brought to you by Akers.net.
Hey, Tube Alloy and Vallourec, Paul Akers here, author of 2 Second Lean. You know, this is a kind of a very special day because, as many of you know, you've received the first and only award of excellence from 2 Second Lean. We have never given an award or a plaque regarding their implementation of 2 Second Lean. Certainly, we've applauded them, we've posted their videos, and the world knows about them. But nobody has ever got the full stop of saying, you are extraordinary and we're gonna recognize. So the reason we did that is because we have seen a transformation at the Houma plant and the Houston plant that we have never seen before in any other organizations. And certainly we can point to literally thousands of companies around the world that have had fantastic 2 Second Lean implementations and cultures that are dynamic. But what is different about Tube Alloy and Vallourec? What is different? What is different is the speed at which the transformation happened, but even more importantly, the difficult environment in which it happened. In the oil and gas industry, it's a highly regulated industry. The most common thing I hear from people is, oh, we're highly regulated. How do you expect us to make all these improvements? But Alex and Thomas, you blew past all those things, and the entire team at Houma and at Houston, you blew past all those objections that the rest of the world so quickly puts up and says, oh, we can't do it, we can't do it. You saw that the amount of waste that is involved in the processes that are occurring in your operation every day are almost breathtaking. It's like a tornado. And you saw that, and you began the implementation of fixing what bugs you, improving every detail from how you empty the trash, to how you clean the toilet, to how you set up your machines, to how you keep your tools, to how your floor painting is done. Everything is being improved, and not like occasionally, like once a week when you have an improvement time, or once a month, but on a daily basis. And then you've further taken it to a level that I've never seen before with the Learning Club. Not the book club, but the Learning Club, where you get together as a team and you read books and you learn and you develop your mind, because really what 2 Second Lean is and what the Toyota production system is just a human development system. We're just trying to take, and we understand our most valuable resource is not our plant, not our money, our bank account, but it's our people. Our people are the creative geniuses. And you've understood that. Your leadership has understood that. And you are developing your people consistently in a very deliberate fashion with this Learning Club. And that is producing extraordinary results because your people are more able to see anything that's abnormal, anything that is not correct, anything that needs to be improved, anything that's an encumbrance, or anytime there's ambiguity. You're saying, oh, let's stop and fix that. And what does that do? It produces greater safety. It produces greater happiness in the way your people work. Your people come to work and they're engaged because they say, it's better today than it was yesterday. These are the elements of 2 Second Lean. We're trying to improve the quality of work. And no one has done it faster and more effectively than Tube Alloy and Vallourec in the Houston plant and the Houma plant. My hat's off to you. It's unbelievable, the transformation. And that's why you receive the first ever award of excellence from 2 Second Lean. And I don't know if I'm ever gonna give another one again. It's that extraordinary. I'm just so impressed. Every day I have more joy in my life watching the incredible improvements that are happening in your plant and the engagement of the people. It just makes me smile. And you know what? It's making the rest of the world smile too. And everybody's paying attention. Great job. Keep it up. Never stop. Keep making life better. Thank you.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2 Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2 Second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.